The WLUPEL Cordless Vacuum Cleaner H8S features a powerful 450-watt motor, making it an excellent choice for homes with pets due to its ability to handle tough messes with ease. With a lengthy runtime of up to 55 minutes on a single charge, this vacuum ensures you can cover your entire house without interruptions. Its user-friendly LED touchscreen offers real-time monitoring and adjustment of suction power, allowing customization for different cleaning needs. The advanced anti-tangle floor brush, equipped with LED lights, ensures easy cleaning in dimly lit areas and accommodates various floor types without needing a brush head change. The vacuum's upgraded accessories, including a new sofa brush, enhance its versatility and make it suitable for cleaning a variety of surfaces and tight spaces. Designed with convenience in mind, the removable battery and quick recharging capability offer flexibility for efficient home cleaning sessions.